It's ready to go.
What?
Ready to go catch some fish, Devin?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We gotta wait for the bait shop to open, man. Captain for the day, Devin Chandler.
Aye, aye.
So, what do you think? How do you think we're gonna do today, Devin?
Gonna tear them up like always.
And for we just got us some blue crab, some fresh dead shrimp. Shrimp. Bubblegum shrimp. That's what they got.
You can boil it, you can broil it, you can fry it, you can bake it. That's about all you can do with shrimp.
Besides bait.
Besides bait.
Beautiful morning.
Sunrise.
The nation's oldest city, St. Augustine, Florida. There's a lighthouse over there. First redfish of the morning on right here. Devin, you're gonna have to probably grab that. I think your fish is hooked.
He's hooked up.
This was on a crab, so he's
Pulling
already
drag.
taking a bunch of drag. Hopefully he's not a stinking shark or something like that.
Might have to reel that up, but
Redfish.
big old redfish.
First good redfish of the day.
Redfish City, baby.
Here we go.
Fish on.
Our big snapper. Sheep's head?
Drum. It's a drum.
Has a bullet on it. Hey,
Oh.
I don't see stripes.
You've seen some drum spikes.
It's a freaking drum.
Drum. Big old drum.
Alright, well, give me a net. Black drum, baby. Maybe we'll stay for another minute. See if he's legal.
He's legal.
He gotta be 14, right?
Yeah, he's legal.
Yeah, I know. Hey, look at this guy we just caught. Real nice flounder.
Doormat.
Well, he ain't quite doormat, but
Hey,
he's definitely an eater.
They're blowing up along this bank.
That's a Backwoods Gourmet episode right there.
We're gonna be eating this soon.
Just put him in the well.
Pulling drag. Fish on.
Oh, he's already in the bridge.
Under the bridge here. Oh,
me off.
freaking lost it.
Got under the bridge.
That's horrible. Here's the lunch for today. Big old redfish. Caught early this morning.
Nice, you know. Nice little fish. Okay, inside our Dutch oven, we've brought a few of the things that we're going to need. I don't have a dry place to set that, so we'll put it down in the sand. Later, we got a little bit of oil, we got a lime, we got some Backwoods Gourmet spice rub. It's our steak and brisket all-purpose rub. A couple potatoes, some paper plates, and a couple forks. Somehow we got water in this. Guess from rain. Just got poured down rain on. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start getting this baby hot. Just pour the water out of it. We already got our charcoal ready. I've patted down a spot. Go ahead and put our 7 or 8 on the bottom. Put the pot on them, ready to roll. Now we'll slice these potatoes. Got some clean salt water in this bucket. I'll just rinse this too. We dropped the sand off. Little salt water from the ocean ain't gonna hurt nobody. That's it. Just enough oil to facilitate. Alright, got this going. Go ahead and put the lid on. The rest of our coals on top. Not looking for heat control here. Just dump what you got. Use a Tootsie Dance. There's the ashes go flying. I'm missing one right there. See if I can get it. Definitely gonna watch it. After coming out here to saltwater, definitely gonna want to wash the hell out of your Dutch oven when you get done with this. Alright, potatoes gotta go, about 10 minutes. Cut it into 3 pieces right there. Now let's go in and take a look. Go look at our potatoes when we stir them. Been going about 10 minutes. We cut them kind of thin so they would cook faster. See it browning on the bottom. Alright, they look awesome. So, keep things simple. Now we're just going to lay our redfish fillets right on top of the potatoes. We're going to season them with a little Backwoods Gourmet all-purpose seasoning. And you noticed earlier we had a lime. Going to squeeze 1/2 of our lime right on top of those fish fillets. So let's keep the other half for when they're done. Got that yet? Okay, we're done. 10 minutes. So it was 10 minutes with potatoes only, and then fish on top. And bring it in there. Take a look at that. Good. Alright, we're just gonna come in here. Grab us a nice piece of redfish, potatoes on the bottom. It's a great shore lunch. I don't think you could get much fresher. You seen them wiggling there a few minutes ago when we were filleting them. So just a final little spritz or half a lime that we saved. Just going to give that just a little squeeze over the top, and that is going to be an awesome meal. Hi, Devin. What do you think about shore lunch today?
Better than any restaurant.
Just a little history for me. We're sitting just off shore from a spot I grew up fishing on. Back in those days when I was a little kid, where you see all these multi-million-dollar homes behind me, was just a sand beach. And my grandmother used to bring us here. We'd drive off a little sand road and come out and jump over the dunes and fish from the bank right here. And I'll show you, we'll insert a picture here, right, of a big giant whiting I caught right here when I was about 2.5 or 3 years old. So this place definitely has some history for me, and I'm really enjoying being here today. And I really enjoyed spending a day with my son.
Welcome back to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today, we're going to throw a roo on the bobby. Hey mates, today, we're going to catch, kill, cook, and eat a croc.